Very good evening friends, and in this video we are going to learn about how to install the PHP Laravel. First you have to install, because I am doing it for window platform. So first you have to install the composer. There you see that you have to download and run composer setup. So once you are done with the composer and setup, it is just like the normal software installation where you don't have to do much. You keep on following the instructions, and in the 4-5 steps the whole software will be installed. At the same time, make sure that the PHP and SQL both are installed in your PC and their path is already connected or already listed into the window path root directory. So here, once this part is done, then we open our command prompt, and at this terminal we simply run the instructions like here. So I run composer global require Laravel / installer. So it's getting downloaded, and your internet must be ready. And now it is saying that 10 packages you are using are looking for funding, that is type composer fund. So I type composer fund. Okay, so this is done. Now I start my Laravel project, and for that I need to type Laravel new and then the name of the application. So I write EduLara, education, and the Lara. So it's type, and then all the required libraries and the framework will be slowly downloaded. It's creating the application. Now you can see on the screen that slowly things are happening, and the name of the project is EduLara. During this process your computer application must be running. In the meantime, when it is happening, let me take you to the Laravel website. It is what is Laravel and why should you learn it. So all these informations, documentations, everything is given here. This is the Laravel's original website, and there you see that installation on the meet Laravel. Laravel is a web application framework with expressive, elegant syntax, a web framework which provides a structure and starting point for creating your applications, allowing you to focus on the creating something amazing while we sweat the detail. So why Laravel? So there are a variety of tools, frameworks available to you when building a web applications. However, we believe that Laravel is the best choice for building modern and full stack web applications. And now your first, all these informations getting started on the Mac OS. If you are on Mac, if you are on Windows, then you can click here, and there you see that all the informations given, like how to do that. So here you see the first composer, create project Laravel example. This is what I have done now, and for that I needed to install the composer. So that's why I first suggested that you should try to install this composer. So window installer, you see is there, download and run composer setup.exe, and this is the normal software kind of installations, which is not very complicated. So this is already done. Let me go back to the process here again. Installing part is kind of done and generating some optimized autoload files. So the package Swift mailer is abandoned, you should avoid using it. So some are omitted, some are deleted, some are improved. So everything is happening now. Just you have to wait for a few more seconds and then it will be kind of ready. So 77 packages are installed and slowly it is done already. It is installed. Now I have to open my application, and then since you know that I created my name of the application as Edu Lara, EDULARA. So first I can go into that folder here using cd Edu Lara. So now I have changed my root directory. Right now I am into my project folder, but since I have to open my Visual Studio Code editor where I'll be writing most of the codes, all of the codes perhaps, and then I need to close this terminal because I'll be using the terminal provided with the Edu, like this one. What I say is Visual Studio Code. So let me close this also. So I start my Visual Studio Code and here, and then my project Edulara is in my user. So you know the path, and everyone have different paths. So here I click on the file and then I click on open folder, and inside the open folder here I go to users again. You may have different path, but since you are running your application just by looking at the command terminal documentation, you can understand that where it is going. So here I named it Edulara, so I'll find it somewhere here. Here you see that. Now I select this file and then I select folder. So now Edu Lara project will be open in my Visual Studio Code terminal, and just to see that where everything is happening properly and nice. So let me first open the terminal. So just click on this terminal. There is a new terminal, and then to check whether my applications is properly installed or not, I have to run the code called php artisan serve, and if everything is fine, then at a particular port, maybe 8080 or something else, maybe at 8080 or something else, it will be running. So just wait for a few more seconds. Here this is my terminal, and there I type php artisan serve. So this will start a server, and now it says that the server has already started. This is at localhost http 127.0.0.1:8000. That's the port number. So now click on the follow link, and here your application is ready. So there you see that everything is working properly. Now your application is running up. So in the very next video we will discuss about the software, or the, I can say that in the, we will be discussing more of the folder structure and the route methods, and where your files are there and how should you start using them. Thank you very much. Just subscribe to our channel and have a nice time.